guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Teresa Michele, and today I am partnering with BS-MALL to show you guys how to get salon quality lashes at home. Let's go ahead and dive into their lash kit. First off, look how sleek this kit is. It comes with everything you need for a flawless lash look, and I mean everything. You get 5 pairs of lashes in style 02, a tweezer applicator tool, which is placed under the lash tray, a lash adhesive for long-lasting hold, and this super helpful 5x magnifying mirror. The lash band is ultra thin and invisible, so it blends seamlessly, perfect for both beginners and pros. These are reusable, so you're not just getting one use. And the adhesive is strong enough to last up to 4 days if you apply and care for them right. All right, let's go ahead and apply them. I am going to take the corner of the lash and gently pull it off, just like that. Next, I am applying the glue using the glue applicator to the lash strip. This is such an easy way to apply the glue. Now, using the 5x magnifying mirror, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lashes to my lash line. I love this mirror because I can really see everything. It really gets in there. I place the lashes on top of my natural lashes, and then I adjust them with the lash applicator. Once I have them in place, then I am going to press them together with my natural lashes to secure it. And it's that easy. Look at how natural these lashes look. They look so natural, so good. It was so quick to apply them. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the second lash and wait for this lash glue to dry. All right, let's go ahead and apply the second one. So the same as the first, I just place the lash on top of my natural lash, and then I adjust it using the applicator and place the lash where I want them before I secure it. Once you have the lashes placed where you want them, go ahead and give the lashes a little squeeze against your natural lashes to make sure that you have them secured. And what I'm doing is taking the lash applicator, squeezing it, and then kind of pushing it down into my natural lash. And that's it. Now let's talk about these. The band on these lashes is so thin. They feel so lightweight. I just don't even know that I'm wearing them. It's crazy. I just love the feel of them. They're so comfortable. I love this tweezer applicator that I use. This is so helpful when applying these lashes. The lash glue, I see that it's drying down and it's drying clear. This mirror right here is amazing because I can see everything that I am doing while I'm applying these. Everything is just so good, so convenient, so quick. You can do it on the go. I just love it. Do you see how I went from natural to glam in about 5 minutes? If you guys want salon lashes without paying salon prices, you need this in your life. Make sure that you get yours today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.